This is how to play Only You Are Holy. So I'm sure most of you guys are already familiar with this song. It is sung by Donnie. The original key of the song is the key of F. Okay, but in this video I'll be showing you guys how to play this song using the key of C sharp. Alright, so without any waste of time, let's jump straight to it. I'm gonna start first by playing it to you guys, and then I'll break it down after. Okay, but I'm just reminding you how the song goes. Okay, it says only you are holy, only you are worthy, only you are wonderful, for there is no one else like you, right? Who is faithful, ever true. Ba 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 ba. And then it goes to a part that says, you are holy, you are holy, say you are holy, right? You are holy, say you are holy. Alright, so it's quite easy. Without any waste of time, let's break it down. Okay, so it starts right on this chord, C sharp major, second inversion. From C sharp major, second inversion, it goes to the first inversion. From first inversion, it goes to number 4. From number 4, it goes to C sharp major root chord. Okay, only you are holy. But as you saw at the beginning of this video, I played the single notes. So we're gonna play, before we play our first chord, we're gonna play C sharp, D sharp, and then we play our first chord. All right, pa 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 pa. All right, it's quite easy. So on the left, when you hit the first chord, you go to number 1 on the left, and then you stay there when you play this one as well. And then when you shift to number 4, you go to number 4 on the left, and then you go back to number 1 when you hit this one. Okay, so the reason why we play number 1 on this chord, and this chord, is because this is number 1, this is number 1, also this is number 1, but this is a second inversion, this is a first inversion, and this is a root chord. This is C sharp major chord, this is a C sharp major first inversion, this is C sharp major second inversion, but they are all number 1s. Okay, but if you want to learn more, you can just join our private community. The price is 1,500. Here's my number up there. Just send me a WhatsApp to get more details. Okay, so it says pa 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 1 1 4, and then 1 again. All right, I hope you understand. So if you want to make it even more nice, you can say you can play 1 and then 1 over 3 when you come here. Okay, 1 over 3, it's a slash chord. 1 over 3, it's a slash chord, and then you go to number 4, and then you go to number 1. Pa 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 pa. Okay, so we're gonna move to the other part. So this part you're gonna play it 2 times. Okay, it's gonna be only you are holy, only you are worthy. And then on the third part, you're gonna say, only you are wonderful. Okay, you're gonna add number 5 and number 6. You're gonna play the same thing on the third part, but you're only going to change. You're gonna play number 1, number 5, and number 6. You're gonna add number 5 and number 6, sorry. Okay, meaning you're gonna say, only you are one, and then you're gonna move number 4, number 5, wonderful. You go to number 5 to number 6, and also on the left you go to number 5 and number 6. All right, only you are wonderful. All right, so you wanna move to, for there's no one else like you. All right, so it comes, for there's no, it goes number 2. It goes number 2. From number 2 it goes number 4. 4 over 2, it's a slash chord. Okay, it's a slash chord. It's 4/2. Ba 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 ba, and then you come here. This is also a slash chord because you are playing 1 on the right, and on the left you are playing number 3 instead of playing number 1. You are playing number 3. Okay, ba 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 ba. You come here. From C sharp major, you go to C sharp major, second inversion, but you're gonna play it right here. And on the left, you're gonna hold that number 3. In other words, you are playing 1/3. Again, it's a slash chord. From here, you're gonna play number 5. Let's start again from the beginning. I don't want to confuse you guys. For there's no one else like you. Play it again for the second time. Who is faithful ever true. Sorry about the lyrics. Da 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 da. Right, before we play the other parts, let's start it again from the beginning. I don't want to confuse you guys. Let's play all the parts that are broken down, okay? So it says, only you are holy. I'm sure you already understand this one. For the second time, ba 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 ba. For the third time, don't forget to add the 5 and 6. Ba 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 ba. 5 and 6. Ba ba. And you move. Ba 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 ba. Repeat it again for the second time. All right. Who is faithful ever true. For the third time, and ba 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 ba. Then from here, you're gonna play is a testimony. As you can hear, this part is the same as the first part. Only you are holy. It's the same thing, okay? So this means after playing ba 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 ba, you just play the first part, okay? Just play the first part because it's the same thing. Ba 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 ba. I hope you understand it. Okay, so you're gonna move to the last part, the one that says, you So it starts on number 6. From number 6 it comes to number 5. From number 5 it goes to number 4. From number 4 it goes to number 1. So on the left you're gonna say 6, and then you're gonna go to number 3. You're gonna say 6, 3, 5, 4, and then 1. It's a little bit confusing, but you'll understand it. Again, 6, 6, 3, 5, 4, and then 1. Let me explain it. You play number 6. On the left you play 6, on the right you play 6. And then you stay there on the right, and then you play number 3. After playing number 3 on the left, you could play number 5 on the right. And then after playing number 5 on the right, you go straight to number 4, both on the left and the right. And then you hit number 1. Alright, so it's gonna sound like you are holy. And then the choir joins. You are holy. And then he changes the key. He starts singing it with the key of F sharp. Okay, so it's gonna come to this chord, E flat minor. From E flat minor, you're gonna play C sharp major second inversion, while still holding your D sharp. From here, you're gonna play B major chord. From B major, you're gonna play F sharp major on the right, and on the left you're gonna play number 3. Remember, we changed the key. We are playing it now on the key of F sharp. Okay, this is F sharp slash 3, F sharp major slash 3, or you can say 1 slash 3. Let's repeat it again for the last time. Okay. Remember, he started singing it on the key of C sharp. He started with the key of C sharp. You are holy. Right? You are holy. And then he transposed. He went to the key of F sharp. Say and then he went back to the key of C sharp. Say you are holy. You are holy. So that's how it goes. So we're gonna start from the beginning, and then we're gonna play the whole thing, okay? 1 and only you are holy. Only you are worthy. Only you are 5 and 6. those two. That's it, guys. I hope you understood it. Until we meet again, God bless you.